Alright, so in this video I am going to show you how can you make a Windows 7 bootable USB drive. So first of all, you'll need a Windows 7 ISO file and a tool which is gonna be used for making a USB bootable. So I have given the links of these two in the description, these two pages in the description. You can download these all two softwares from that link. First of all, go to this download page and download Windows 7 ISO file. Download from here. So because I have already downloaded this file, so I'm canceling this download, and let's go download the tool which is gonna be used for USB bootable. So download this ISO to USB tool. So download this tool, and this tool is gonna be making your USB bootable. So I have already downloaded these two files, so I'm not downloading these. So first of all, you have to open up your first of all, extract your tool. After extracting it, install this tool. Yes, install it and run it. Now choose your ISO file that you have downloaded, Windows7.iso, and select your USB drive. Now after selecting USB drive, you have to check on bootable. That will make your USB bootable, and click on start. Yes. Wait for this to be done. It is a bootable now. So for checking that, go to the system, Windows Explorer, and check. Yeah, it is bootable now. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share this video, and also visit the blog linked in the description. Thank you so much.